Alrighty guys, we're here at the Columbia Center here in Lafayette, Indiana. We got an Otis. Yes, we're going up. It's a nice cab. Wait, let's see if we can go anywhere. Here's 3. Look at this American flag. $88. It's a pretty nice cab, as you can see here. It's a beautiful cab. Oh yeah, you can see me in the mirror with a Menard shirt. Hi. Sure. Anyway, there's the indicator. Capacity 2,500 pounds. Series 1. Very mirrored in the front. It's a inspection there. Opened in 2000. Interesting. But yeah. There you have it. That's Columbia Center elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.